How to add table in Godaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to implement a table and create it into the Godaddy website builder. It is going to be a procedure outside Godaddy website builder because we do not have this option yet. So maybe in the future we are going to have it with some updates, but we are going to get the help of either Canva or the HTML or the tablesgenerator.com. So we're going to head over GoDaddy, select the product or the website that we want to implement the table to. So we're going to have it right there, select the website. I'm going to select this website, for example. This is just an example. You should select the correct website for you, and we're going to click on edit website just like that to open up the editor. Now, why you should implement some tables? Maybe you're going to have here some size chart or some chart of the sizes, prices, or something that you're going to have a comparison with or something like that. It is going to be crucial to have a table added or a comparison table added into your website. So here, as you can see, we're going to implement that table as a code. You're going to add a new section, head over in Files, find Web, click on HTML, add, normally not add again, but you're going to find it as add. If you have added it again or before, it is going to show up this. Now, what I am going to do basically is to head over Canva, for example, if you're going to be interested in the tablesgenerator.com, which is going to be this one, you can go ahead and write it down like that and only copy the code. But I'm not going to be interested in this, so I can go ahead and head over Canva, type in here table, and we're going to head over here and see different tables that we have. So basically, the Canva designs are going to be better than this. So we are going to implement them, the two of them as a HTML code, and they could not be modified inside the website. So I'm going to choose maybe one of the tables in here. So I can go ahead and have this. This is a pro one. So this one is good. So I'm going to have the table. We're going to find it right there. You can go ahead and have here, for example, the modification for the table as the names, the numbers, and etc. You can add in here some of the design, as you can see for the columns and also the rows. You can go ahead and put it like that. Change the titles and also have maybe something else added like your logo or your personal signature in here and etc. And at the end of the process, click on share. And then we are going to click on embed. Embedded, or you can also add it as an image. It is going to be up to you. I'm going to embed that code into my GoDaddy website by putting the code in here and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, this is the table as a slideshow or a show. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.